There are two easy ways. One, you log in your BigCommerce store. Press on View Store over the left menu bar. That will lead you to your BigCommerce store. Copy your store address, but make sure you copy it the right way. Now, head to Yoycol and log in. Find stores in your dashboard. Choose BigCommerce. Now paste the store address you just copied and connect. The other way also starts from BigCommerce. Click Apps from the left menu bar. Let's visit BigCommerce apps now. Type in Yoycol. And there you go. Get this app. Once you give confirmation, log into your Yoycol account and it will be done. And now you're able to pick from 900 products. Design with our easy-to-use design generator and import to your BigCommerce store. Once order comes in, it's automatically synced to Yoycol and will fulfill and ship to your customers under your brand.